Welcome! We are excited to introduce to you our new online training academy. Listening to our customer feedback, this latest training concept offers convenient online training so that you and your team can develop your inspection skills at your own pace, when and where it suits you. Let me now show you a taster module that's been taken from one of our brand new virtual training X-ray courses.
In this module, we explain the function of the confirmation sensor and show you how to enable or disable this fail-safe feature.
The sensor fitted across the entrance to the reject bin is the reject confirmation sensor to confirm that potential contaminated product has entered the bin. A system fault is generated if a confirmation signal is not received when the reject device is activated. The confirmation signal is generated by the simple act of a product passing through the reject confirmation sensor in a window of time. To enable the reject confirmation fail-safe sensor, just tap the confirm box, shown. When enabled, a new window is highlighted called the reject confirm time, which is in milliseconds. This setting is the expected time allowed for when the pack crosses the reject confirmation sensor to confirm that the pack has entered into the reject bin. But if the pack enters the bin but outside of the timed window, then a fault will occur. So it's very important to get this correct. And remember that the window time starts as soon as the reject device is activated. Here you can see that the reject device activated too early, and now that the reject confirmation fail-safe sensor is enabled, the X-ray system will now go into fault mode to stop the potential contaminated pack being packed and passed on to the consumer. When a fault occurs, it's important that all the packs left on the conveyor are removed before clearing the fault and restarting production. If you had only one pack to run on the production line, then this timed window could be set to a very long time. However, in reality, there will be multiple packs going down the line close to each other, and the window time needs to be shorter. Ready for the following pack to be rejected. A basic rule to help you to set up the confirmation window time is to always have the window time, no lower than the duration time of the reject device. All our courses contain module knowledge checks, which is available for you to complete for all the various modules, which is the perfect way to check your learning progress. Completing the training course will proudly unlock your official training certificate. The certificate is fully audit compliant and recognized industry-wide. Every course is crafted and designed by Loma's industry experts, ensuring you receive top-notch training that's not only engaging, but perfect for staying ahead in today's competitive market. Why not use this unique opportunity to build your knowledge? Every minute spent learning your machine is an investment in your business's future. Think of training as laying down the foundation for ongoing success and stability. We hope you enjoyed our taster video, and we invite you to visit our online store to view all our available courses and free sample modules. Simply click the link in your email or alternatively go to the address shown below to start your journey in mastering the latest machine training.